Changing your primary email on River Valley Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the River Valley Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to view your current email addresses. Step 4. Update your primary email. Locate the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new primary email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and update your email address. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on River Valley Credit Union will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.